Hey guys, welcome to our very own channel Crypto Jason. This video is really going to be an amazing video because in this video I'm going to introduce you to a crypto project that can be used in multiple ways. For example, this particular crypto project can be used for advertising purposes. This project can also be used for trading purpose wherein you can trade this token into centralized as well as decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. You can also use this token for gambling. So the project that I'm going to introduce you today is called as the 1 million token. So as the name suggests, the total supply of this token is of 1 million. So in this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth review about the 1 million token, and at the end of the video, I'll be also showing you how you can own some 1 million tokens. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel until now, please do subscribe, and while clicking on the bell icon, please select the button all. Now friends, the first thing that we'll be doing is let us go to the official website of 1 million token, which is 1milliontoken.org. So once you are on the website, you can see it is an ERC20 utility token that can be used for advertising and crypto/gambling. Let me click on the view more. 1 million token is an ERC20 token that has a limited supply of just 1 million tokens, and it can be used as an utility token to pay for advertising services and can be traded on decentralized as well as centralized exchanges. And since May 2019, we can also gamble in slots, dice, and different kind of gambling websites. Here are the specifications. So the name of the token, 1 million token, and the symbol is 1MT. It is an ERC20 token with a total supply of 1 million. Now friends, comes the most interesting part. This token is also available in the BSC blockchain, and this is the contract address. Here friends, the symbol is B1MT. Let me take you to the BSC scan. Here friends, you can see it is already being verified by the BSC scan, and it has around 502 hodlers in the BSC. And let me click on the hodlers. Here friends, you can see over 30% of the supply is added as liquidity in the PancakeSwap, and maximum any individual holder is holding is not more than 2%, and the total supply in BSC blockchain is of just 421,000. So now let me show you the chart of B1MT token. Right now the price is of over 37 cents, and you can see friends, in last 4 months the maximum price was around $1.35, and right now it is just 37 cents. So it is really a cheap rate in which you can buy as of now. Why we should be owning some 1MT token? There are multiple reasons. Two major reasons: it has a great community, as well as whenever we are using services with 1MT, we get a 10% discount. This is also an amazing part about the 1MT tokens, that is, it has a doxed team. So you can also get the information of whatever roles has been assigned to different team members. Let me scroll down a bit, and you can see the list of all the exchanges where 1MT token has been listed. It is listed on Windex, Uniswap, and even on the PancakeSwap and many more exchanges. Now let us have a look at the use cases. Let me show you the different places where 1MT tokens can be used. So here, as you can see friends, we can use it for advertising in Twitter as well as Discord. We can also use it in different casino websites as well as to buy NFT. We are moving to BSC. As we already saw, this token is already available in BSC blockchain. So after debating options, they have decided to port 1 million token into BSC, and the major reason friends is because that it is ERC compatible already. They can reuse most of their code. That saved them a lot of time. And the another reason on why they moved into the BSC blockchain, as we all know, the gas fees in BSC blockchain is really cheap. So this is also one of the reason. And here they have also told on how they managed to transfer into the BSC by removing all the liquidity from different exchanges and putting them into the PancakeSwap liquidity. Also, they have used their own team tokens to make sure that there is no issue that we face in future. And if we want friends, we can also transfer our ETH network 1MT token into B1MT tokens. So I'll talk about that a few minutes later. Here you can also see some Medium articles that were posted by the 1 million token. So you can make use of the Burger Swap in order to transfer 1MT token from ETH to BSC network. Now friends, let me teach you how you can own some B1MT token. In order to do that, let me first set up my MetaMask. Here friends is the BNB balance that I am holding right now. It is worth $4.90 US dollars. So I'm gonna use full of my BNB balance in order to buy the B1MT token. In order to do that, let me first go to the website and click on the exchanges. Therein, I'll be clicking on the PancakeSwap logo and it will automatically redirect me to the PancakeSwap website. Here you can see friends, they are suggesting us to use the V1 version. It is because friends, the migration from ETH to BNB was already done before the launch of V2 in PancakeSwap, and the slippage that I'm gonna use today is of 0.1%. Yes friends, 0.1%. So let me click on the select a currency and I'll be choosing BNB. Let me now connect my MetaMask wallet by clicking on the next and then choosing the connect. Let us wait for a few more seconds and you can see my BNB balance. Let me click on the max. So before actually completing the swap, let me change the last digit of the decimal to 1 so that I can even buy on 0.1% slippage, and let me click on the swap. Let us wait for a few seconds and then I'll be clicking on the confirm. I have to pay a gas fee of around $1.2. Let us wait for a few seconds and let me click on the MetaMask logo. You can see friends, the confirmation has not yet completed. Let us wait for a few more seconds and you can see our confirmation has been successfully completed. Let me click on the asset, click on the add token and paste the contract address. Click on the next and you can see friends, I have successfully bought over 4.379 B1MT tokens. So this was pretty much a review about the 1MT token. This is not a financial advice, but I'll still suggest you to consider this project rather than going for any meme coin. So that is it for the video.
So guys, hope you have gone through the whole video and liked my review about the 1 million token. If you got any doubts or queries regarding anything that I have taught in this particular video, you can comment down below. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.
It's not a game, it's a